Hi everyone. So in our last video we talked about the Virginia state and we went through the process of how we can file the monthly sales tax return for the Virginia state. Today we're going to file another state which is Maryland state. The process is same, but before I move to the portal I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest sales tax information. So on my screen you can see this is the dummy data I have used for my Maryland return. So I have the sales amount here, but by the way, I don't have the tax amount. You can put any tax amount, and the tax rate is 6%. For the Maryland state, you don't need to put the cities and counties. It's a straightforward 6% state sales tax rate that you need to pay. So I'm the portal now. You can see the portal here. So on the portal, you will click file and pay. So here you're gonna click file a form. So here you will see the name of the company, and then you will see the what type of return are you going to file. So I'm going to file sales and use tax. Then here my ID will be pull up. So this is my original return, and then here you will select the period. So let's say I select this period, May, and I will click next. Just it's loading here. So now here, so this is the form that you need to fill up. So now you can see here the first line is gross sales. So here you will put all the sales including taxable and non-taxable sales. So since my sales are 80.75, let me just see this 80.75. Okay, now here you will select the sales. The If you have a taxable sales, you will add those sales, input those sales here in this column. So this is 6% taxable sales excluding digital products, electricity for EV charging, and race horses sold after claiming race. So if you have a sales related to these products, you are not going to put those here. Excluding these items, if you have the sales, you can input those sales here. So for me, I don't have any taxable sales, so I'm just going to put 0 here. And then in the last, you will see here that first of all, you need to click the calculate here. So now you will click next. And here you will see now, I will just click submit. And you see that the return is submitted. So this is how you can file your Maryland sales tax return. If you have any payment here, the system will ask you to input your payment information, and once you input the payment information, the payment will be made and the return will be submitted. So if you have any questions related to this, if you have any comments, any suggestions, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.